We'll have to say this is so relaxing. I just get in a zone. I recently found out about these cups. The brand is called Lore, and it's glam facial cupping. So what you're going to get in this package is one cleansing brush. And as you can see, it has these soft little teeth to larger face cups, which are very, very soft. You're also gonna get 2 smaller eye cups. So ideally, you want to create a suction and you want to constantly move. First, we're starting with oil. You can use whatever oil that you like. You can also bring it down to your neck if you want to cup your neck. First things first, I'm going to show you what it looks like. So you see how your skin is in the inside? So remember, we're going up, out, and down the ear. This is great for the fine lines on your forehead. That is facial cupping. This is something that I do every 3 days. It does not take long at all. I love it. It leaves my face super glowy. Bye, guys.